Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. After some early morning fog over the eastern and southern interior, things have cleared for much of the region. Although further eastwards it's still quite cloudy, especially for the coastal belt of KwaZulu-Natal, and we're also having some cloud drifting into the low veld. A little bit of light rain also still pushing into those areas, although it's very patchy. There's also the streak of high cloud that's pushing in over parts of the Northern Cape, the Free State and the Northwest, and that will remain in place for the rest of today. It's still going to be cloudy for the remainder of Sunday in the far eastern parts, keeping things cool for those areas. While it will be partly cloudy for the northern parts, it's still going to be mild and dry. In the south, sunshine expected, especially for the Western Cape for the rest of today. Heading into tomorrow, there'll be fog patches across the northeastern interior as well as for parts of KwaZulu-Natal's inland community, so take care if you're going to be driving through those areas first thing in the morning. Sunny for the central and western parts, berg winds pushing the temperatures up along the Atlantic coastline, and we're keeping an eye on a system that's going to start pushing in some rainfall for the central parts of Namibia tomorrow. For today, it will be mostly dry over the country, still a possibility for light rain over some areas in the Eastern Cape and in KwaZulu-Natal, especially for the coastline of that province. And by tonight, a few drops of rain could return to the escarpment areas of Limpopo, a bit of drizzle possible for that region. Let's take a look at wind speeds for today. They'll remain mostly light for South Africa, although a moderate easterly wind is expected around Springbok, getting up to about 25 kilometers per hour for the late afternoon. Maximum temperatures for today, and it's going to stay cold over the eastern and southern interior of South Africa. Many areas, especially near the mountains, will be in the mid-teens. And as we head northwards, things warm up quite nicely. Uppington at 26 degrees and a high of 22 has been forecast for Mahikeng. Overnight lows and the berg winds will already be having an effect along the west coast as we head into the early hours of Monday. As we can see here, Springbok at 17, it will be even warmer as you head closer to the coastline. Cold, on the other hand, across the southern interior of South Africa. Sutherland drops to freezing overnight. Johannesburg today gets to a high of 20 degrees, partly cloudy, certainly no rain in the forecast. And as we head overnight, we're going to see the cloud lingering over the area. A little bit of moisture could result in fog patches developing in the city, especially for the early hours of Monday, with a minimum temperature of 5 degrees to start off your work week. In the afternoon, it will remain partly cloudy over the far eastern parts of the country. Durban and Richards Bay warm a little bit to a high of 24 degrees. And Tuesday is going to be dry all across South Africa once again, with lots of sunshine, but a bit of cloud starts to move in to the Northern Cape. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.